Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar chart. What a day it's been. Gold is surging very high in today's trading session, and it looks to me that we're about to come into contact with the 50-day EMA, meaning that my prediction for the gold market was spot on. If you look back at my video on Friday, I said when we were trading down at 1830 to 1840 that we were very likely going into Monday going to go and test the 50-day EMA, which is currently between 1880 to 1870 area, and we're now only 8 points away from achieving the 50-day EMA. So very bullish trading session for the bulls here in the gold markets. Well done to everyone who managed to capitalize on that trade. Not just my signal team. You know, my signal team, first of all, I sent a buy signal down at 1800 when we found support with 200-day EMA. So well done to everyone who copied that trade. And as well as that, I sent a second buy signal at 1830 going into Friday session last week with a take profit up at around 1880, and that trade is about to come in. So well done to everyone on the signal team for capitalizing and profiting on that trade. You're already starting to send me loads of messages telling me how much money you've made, so I love to see that. So well done, guys. So where do we go going into Tuesday session? Well, it'll be very interesting to see whether we can get a daily close above the 50-day EMA. If we can get a daily close around that, around that 1900 level, then to me that tells me that we will likely go and test the top of this bullish flag that we've formed over the past, probably two months, month and a half to 2 months. And if we can break out this bullish flag, it's really simple. We go back to all-time highs. I've been mentioning this in previous videos, but this is what gold does. It rallies and then it forms a holding pattern, which is typically a bullish flag, and that's exactly what we're in now. And just like in previous bullish flags, we do eventually break out, as you can see there, which then fuels for a massive rally towards the upside. So I am very bullish here in the gold markets. I do believe that we will be going back to all-time highs. We've still got the second stimulus deal to come out, which is going to kill the demand for the US dollar. So going into Tuesday session, I'm looking to see whether we can break above the 50-day EMA. If we don't break above the 50-day EMA, then that could indicate that we could potentially go and retest the 200-day EMA again down at 1800. That would be a bad thing. That would be a great area to then add to your buy positions, to then reattempt first of all the 50-day EMA and then eventually the top of this bullish flag. But going into Tuesday session, I'm looking to see whether we can get a daily close above the 50-day EMA. If we get a daily close at roughly 1900 or higher, that means you then buy aiming towards that 1920 area. But that 1920 area is an area where you need to keep a very close eye on. If we can get enough momentum behind gold here, we do get a significant daily close, roughly around 1950. That means we go a lot higher. So I'm very bullish here from a fundamental and technical perspective. Gold is looking very strong. I'm a buyer, no interest in selling this as long as we're trading above the 200-day EMA. Also, I want to highlight the fact the RSI is very healthy. We're currently at 52, so we have plenty of territory to move to the upside. So that's exactly what this flush out did over the past week. We've just gained territory on the RSI, and now we're looking very healthy to rally significantly higher.